Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Daily Podcast. I'm your host, Kevin. Today, you are watching Day 4 of our official 21-day shadowing challenge for fluency. If you are tired of just studying grammar rules but freezing up when you try to speak, you are in the right place. This challenge is designed to train your mouth muscles, rewiring your brain to think in English blocks without translating. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and check the description to start from Day 1. But if you've been following along, let's keep your amazing momentum going. Grab your water, relax your shoulders, and let's dive straight into today's practice. Imagine this. You pack your bags, you get on a plane, and you arrive in a brand new country. Everything is exciting, but everything is also in English. You need to rent a house, buy essential things at a local shop, and ask for help in the street. Your heart beats fast, but don't worry. You don't need difficult academic words to survive and belong. You just need the right everyday phrases. Today, we have a super long, high-value shadowing practice specially made for A1 and A2 beginners. We are going to live inside 4 realistic situations about moving to a new country, checking into a new apartment, buying essential things at a local shop, asking for directions, and making a simple phone call. Between these sections, I will give you easy fluency tips to train your tongue. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start with Situation 1, moving into the new apartment, A1 level.
This is my new apartment. The living room is big. The walls are painted white. There is a large window. I can see the street. Where is the kitchen, please? The kitchen is over there. It has a small fridge. The bedroom has a bed. The pillow is very soft. I need to buy blankets. The bathroom is quite clean. The water is warm now. Here is your apartment key. Thank you so much, landlord. Please pay the rent on time. Yes, I will pay every month. Welcome to your new home. I feel very happy here.
Brilliant job! You just unlocked your very first apartment in English. Let's pause for a moment for fluency tip number 1. Did you notice how short these A1 sentences were? Many beginners think they have to speak in long, complex blocks, but when you are moving into a new place, short sentences like, "The kitchen is over there," or "The water is warm now," are absolutely perfect. They're clear and they save your energy. Don't worry about sounding like a professor. Just focus on pronouncing every short word with clarity. Your mouth is doing great. Now, we are going to make the sentences slightly longer. We are stepping into Situation 2, buying essentials at the local shop, A2 level. We need to buy furniture and house items. Let's keep going.
Good morning. I recently moved here.
And I need some things. Some things for my house. Welcome to our neighborhood. What items are you looking for today? I need a study desk. A small study desk. A table lamp, and some kitchen plates. Kitchen items are in aisle 4. And furniture is at the back. Oh, this desk looks very nice. This white wooden desk. How much does it cost? That desk is $60, and we can deliver it to your house tomorrow. That is perfect, because I don't have a big car. A car to carry it. No problem at all. We offer free delivery for all new neighbors. Wonderful. I also want to buy plates. 4 white plates and 2 mugs. Sure. Please bring them. Bring them to the front counter. When you are ready. Can I pay for delivery and items together? Pay with my card? Yes, of course. Please type your PIN number. Your secret PIN number right here. Right here on the machine. Here is your receipt. Your shopping receipt. The driver will call you. Call you at 9 a.m. Thank you very much for your great help. And warm welcome. It was a pleasure meeting you. Have a wonderful day in your new apartment. Fantastic! You just furnished your room. Now let's talk about fluency tip number 2, the melody of polite English. In English, when we want to sound polite or friendly, our voice naturally goes a bit higher at the beginning of phrases. Listen to this. Welcome to our neighborhood, or wonderful. If you speak with a completely flat voice, people might think you are bored or unhappy. When you shadow me, try to copy the emotion in my voice. Smile while you speak. A smiling voice makes your English sound 10 times more natural, even if you make a small grammar mistake. Are you ready for the next level? Let's step outside into the town. We are entering Situation 3, asking for directions to the subway and bank, A2 level. The sentences have more details. Let's do it together. Excuse me, I am new to this area. Can you please help me? Of course. What are you trying to find? Find in the neighborhood. I am looking for the bank. The nearest bank. And the subway station entrance. The National Bank is close. It is very close. It is just opposite the cinema. Opposite the big cinema. I see. Can I walk there? Or do I need a bus? You can easily walk there. It only takes 3 minutes. About 3 minutes on foot. Great! And how do I get to the subway? Get there from the bank. From the bank, turn left and walk straight until you see a pharmacy. The subway entrance is right there. Right next to that pharmacy. Under a big sign. Is the subway safe to use? Safe late at night? Safe for a newcomer? Yes, it is generally very safe. But always watch your bags. Watch your bags carefully. Thank you so much. I am still a bit confused. Confused by the street names. Don't worry about it. It takes time. Time to learn a new city. You can download an app. A local map app on your phone. Download it to help you. That is a wonderful idea. I will download it right now. Thanks again. Wow, you just found your way around a brand new city in English. That is a massive achievement for a beginner. Seriously, be proud of yourself. Here is fluency tip number 3, chunking for beginners. In this intermediate beginner section, some sentences were longer. Did you notice how I broke them down? I didn't say, the National Bank is very close. I said, the National Bank, breath, is very close. Breaking your thoughts into 2 or 3 words gives your brain a microsecond to think about the next step. It destroys stress. Shadowing teaches your mouth exactly where to take these natural breaths. Now, let's finish this extra-long beginner marathon with a vital, real-life situation. Situation 4. Making a phone call to the internet company, A2 level. Phone calls can be tricky, but you are ready. Let's finish strong. Hello. Thank you for calling Fast Internet. How can I help you today? Hello. I just moved. Moved into a new apartment, and I need internet. I can certainly assist you. Assist you with that. What is your exact address? My address is apartment 4B on number 10 Main Street. Thank you. We have a great plan. A beginner plan for $30 a month. That sounds good. Does that plan include a modem? A Wi-Fi modem? Yes, the modem is free. It is completely free, and a technician will install it. Excellent. When can the technician come? Come to my new apartment. We have an opening this Thursday afternoon between 2 and 4 p.m. Thursday afternoon works perfectly. Works perfectly for me. I will be at home then. Great. Can I have your name, your full name, and your telephone number? My name is Kevin, and my phone number is 555 1234. Perfect, Kevin. I have scheduled it. Scheduled your internet installation. Scheduled for Thursday. Thank you so much for your quick service, efficient service on the phone. You are very welcome, Kevin. Thank you for choosing us. Choosing our internet service. Look at what you have done today. You have officially completed day 4 of our 21-day shadowing challenge. You didn't just watch another video, you actively used your voice. In this super long beginner masterclass, you successfully navigated moving to a new country. You checked into an apartment, bought furniture, asked for directions in the street, and set up your internet over the phone. Your mouth muscles might feel tired, but that is the physical proof that you are growing. You are converting yourself from a student into an English speaker. Now, it is time for your daily commitment homework. Scroll down to the pinned comment right now and type Day 4 Done and type just one simple sentence about your own home or routine using the words we practiced today. For example, my kitchen is warm, or I need to buy a lamp so I can personally see your consistency and cheer you on. To speak English fluently, consistency is everything. You cannot skip days. That is why I am professionally challenging you to finish this journey. Don't stop now. Your mouth is already adapting. If this daily training is destroying your boredom and building your skills, please show your support for free education. Hit that subscribe button right now and join our growing English Daily podcast family. Smash the like button so the YouTube algorithm can share this lesson with language learners all over the globe. And click the notification bell so you never miss our daily episodes. Thank you for your incredible focus, your hard work, and your time today. Come back tomorrow, shadow again, and remember, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. I'm your host, Kevin. Bye for now.